Hi, I'm Sandy from the Home Depot Rental Center. When you need to cut crisp edges quickly and efficiently, the Little Wonder Pro Lawn Edger is the perfect choice. This edger is operator-friendly with fingertip controls and a ratchet arm height adjustment system. It provides fatigue-free operation while edging up to 90 feet per minute. Now, before you get started, a few quick reminders. For safe operation of any power equipment, be sure you're wearing proper safety glasses, durable work gloves, hearing protection, and work shoes. Walk the area and clear rocks or toys, and check for possible buried hazards such as electrical wiring, piping, or other items that may cause injury to you or possibly damage the unit or property. This may prevent costly mistakes. Most importantly, while operating the edger, keep pets and others, especially children, away from the area. Once the area is secure, you're ready to start the lawn edger. First, open the fuel valve. Move the choke to the closed position and turn the ignition switch on. Pull the starter rope until the engine fires and let it warm up. Then slowly move the choke to the run position and set the throttle control lever to the desired speed. A warm engine requires less choking than a cold engine, so the engine speed should be kept to the minimum consistent with the job at hand. Speeds higher than necessary will only cause undue wear and tear. A speed halfway between fast and slow is normally adequate. Tougher jobs require a higher speed. As you begin to edge, set the depth of the blade by placing your left hand on the upper handle. Grab the lever with your right hand and pull it to the right. This will disengage the lever from the ratchet segment on the handle. Now, move the lever forward or backward along the ratchet segment and allow it to lock in place at the desired depth. Moving the lever forward decreases the blade depth, and moving it backward increases it. To engage the blade, tilt the edger back and drop the red handle. Then slowly lower the unit back to the ground. To get the best results while edging, the blade should be perpendicular to the ground or sidewalk. The cutting depth should be sufficient to cut away the root system, usually 1 to 1.5 inches deep. Along flush sidewalks or driveways, it's easier to place the wheels on the sidewalk or driveway rather than the grass. And when edging along a curve, the rear wheel should be held off the ground so the machine can be maneuvered wheelbarrow fashion. When you're finished edging, disengage the blade by lifting the red handle. Then pull the throttle lever towards you to the stop position and turn the engine switch to the off position. Prior to returning the edger back to the rental center, be sure to clean any debris from the blade with a hose to avoid additional cleaning charges. Properly secure the unit in your vehicle when transporting to prevent damage or injury. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.